Hi, welcome back to dreamweaveworlds.com. So this is my final video on the electric train tunnel. So I've done the flocking. I explained a bit how I did it in the last video, so I won't tell you again. I'm mostly gonna focus on the image. So here. I'm gonna put I don't have the train with me, but I'm gonna put a miniature to give you an idea of the scale. So that's it. So if you want to know how the rocks were carved, the cracks like that, I used a rock that I just pressed in the styrofoam. All the marks of rock here are also done with that rock that I just pounded on. Make it really, it does a really good texture. Those little bushes, trees, are actually from stuff that I got after the Christmas season was over last year. I got that thing that was on discount, and it's actually made it's a little ball of styrofoam, and there's all these little things that are perfect for making little trees or bushes. It's really nice. Well, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Bye.